Good evening, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazhar, and in this video, we are working on the mathematics of the Cambridge O levels, mathematics syllabus D. The topic we are working on is decimals, fractions, terminating, and recurring decimal. So, to cover this concept, we are working from this book. The name of this book is Think New Syllabus Mathematics 8th edition. This book is published by the Oxford University Press. The credit of this book goes to them. You see, this book is the intellectual property of the Oxford University Press. I am using this book to solve these questions on this topic. Okay, so this is the book 1, 8th edition. Let me show you the book. Okay, so this is that book, Oxford University Press book, and this is the book number 1. We are working on the exercise 3A. Let me show you the exercise. So we are working on exercise 3A. We are working on the question number 7. I'm going to attempt the question number 7, C part. So we have already done 2 episodes on this exercise. So question number 7, it says express the following decimals as a fraction in its simplest form. This is the new topic which has been added. So these dots which they have shown, these dot means that then these numbers will be repeated. So that is 0.87878787878787. This is non-terminating. We call it recurring. So we have to convert this into the fraction. There is a particular procedure which we follow. So let's understand how this is done. So first of all, I suppose let x is equals to, I write here, let x is equals to 0.87, put dots. Okay, so the x will be equals to, and one pair will be, you get it freed. Okay, so like this. Okay, now I will multiply either with the 10 or with 100 or with 1,000, but with which number I should? Here I will going to multiply with 100. Why I multiplied with 100? I want to bring this on the same position as this. This is on the 10th and the 100th position, so I will bring this also. So that's why I'm multiplying with 100. So you see what happens here. Okay, so this will become 100x is equals to, this becomes 87.87 dot dot. So from this I will subtract this. You see, I will have 100x minus x. From the left side I will subtract the left side. From the right side I am going to subtract the right side. So you will have this minus 0.87 dot dot. So you will have 99x equals to 87. So you will have x is equals to 87 divided by 9. So can they be simplified? Yes, with the table of the 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 3s are. So 29 by 33. Now the question is whether this answer is right. With the help of the calculator, I can check. Let me bring my calculator. So you will have 29 divided by 33 equals to. So I can show you on my calculator 30. You see 0.87878787, and this is recurring and this is non-terminating. So you see I have converted that recurring decimal fraction into a simple fraction. So this is how you will do the question number 7 and its C part. So, dear students, question number 7 and its D part 0.121, and on 1 we have a dot, and on the next one we also have the dot. That means this whole pattern will be repeated. So this is basically 0.121, 121, 121, 121, and this continues. So we have to convert this into a fraction. So there is a set procedure for this. So first of all, we suppose that this is equals to x. So I will write here, okay, let x is equals to 0.121, put dots here. So that means this whole pattern is repeated. So I can write it like this: 0.121121, put dots here. Okay. So then I want to get this again on this position, the 10th position, 100th position, and 1000th position. So for that purpose, I will have to multiply with the 1000. So on both the sides, multiply with the 1000. Okay, so it will be 0.121121. Put a dot. Okay, so this becomes 1000x is equals to 121.121 dot and dot. Okay, so from this I will subtract this. Okay, so you will have 1000x minus x equals to 121.121, put dots minus 0.121 dot and dot. So from the left side, I've subtracted the left side. From the right side, I've subtracted the right side. So this will become 999x is equals to 1 to 1. So x will be equals to 1 to 1 divided by the 9, 9, and 9. So the x will become, can we cancel them? I don't think so. Let this be like this. Okay. So 1 to 1 divided by 991 from my with the help of my calculator, I can check if this answer is right or not. Okay. So 1 to 1 divided by 999 equals to. So let me show you. Okay, so here you can see 1 to 1 divided by 999, that is 0.121, and this is recurring and this is non-terminating. So this is how you will convert this recurring decimal fraction into a simple fraction. This is how you will do the question number 7 and its D part. My name is Ferhan Mazhar and we are working on the exercise 3A. This is our third episode on this exercise, and the book we are using is published by the Oxford University Press. That book is their property and the credit is to them, and this is the 8th edition, book number 1, and the topic is decimals, fractions, terminating, and recurring decimal fractions. So I hope you understand this. So question number 7, E part is showing up on your screen, 0.12, and on that 2 we have a dot. That dot means that 2 will be repeated. Actually this is 0.122222222. This is recurring. Okay, so we have to convert this into a fraction. So the method is very simple, a set procedure for that. We will suppose this is equals to x. So I will write here, let x is equals to 0.12 and the dot on it. So I can write it 0.12 and 2 and dot. Okay, so then I will multiply, I will multiply in such a way that this 2 dot should come on this decimal place. Okay, this is my second decimal place, this is on the third decimal place, so I need to multiply it with the 10. Okay, to bring on the same decimal place. So you will have 1222 dot. Okay, so this will become 10x is equals to, this will become 1.22 and a dot. Okay, so from this I will subtract this. So you will have 10x is minus x is equals to 1.22 dot minus 0.12 and dot. So from this you subtract this becomes 9x. So 2 dot 2 dot will be cancelled. 2 minus 1 will be 1.1. Okay, so this will become 9x equals to 1.1, which is 9x is equals to 11 by 10. Take this 9 to this side. So you will have 9x equals to 11. Take this 9 to the other side. So you will have 11 divided by 9 into the 10. So the x will be equals to 11 by the 90. So that fraction is 11 by the 90. To check if the answer is right, I'm going to use my calculator. So on my calculator, I will write 11 divided by the 90, and that is equals to 0.122. Let me show you. 11 divided by 90, that is 0.122. 2. So this is how you will convert this recurring decimal fraction into a fraction. So I hope you understand this. So, my dear students, now we are going to work on the question number 7. It's F part. A recurring decimal fraction is given to us, and they want me to convert this into a simple fraction. So it's 0.07. On that 7, we have a dot. That dot means that this 7 will be recurring, which means 0.077777, and it will continue. Okay, so I can suppose that this is equals to x. So I will write here, let x is equals to 0.07 and a dot on it. So x will be equal to 0.07 and put a dot on this 7. Okay, that means 7 7 7 7 7. Okay, so I will try to bring this 7 on the second decimal place. So for that purpose I need to multiply with the 10. So on both the sides I will multiply with the 10, 0.077 and a dot on it. So this becomes 10x is equals to 0. This will come here, so it will be 0.77 dot. So from here I will subtract this. So you will have 10x minus x equals to 0.77 dot minus 0.07 and dot. Now you can see they are on the same decimal places. So this will be 9x equals to, this will become 0.7. Okay, 9x will be equals to 7 by the 10, and the x will be equal to 7 by the 10 into the 9, and the x will be equal to 7 by the 90. So this is how this is done, and let me check from the calculator if the answer is right or not. Okay, so this is 7 divided by the 90, and that is equal to 0.077. Let me show you. 0.777 0.0777777. So this is how you will convert this recurring non-terminating decimal fraction into a simple fraction. I hope you understand. This is the new topic which has been added into the syllabus of the Cambridge O Levels Mathematics Syllabus D. The code of the subject is D Maths 4024. My name is Ferhan Mazhar. I hope that you understand this question. Okay, so my dear students, we are on the question number 7, and it's G part. We are working on the exercise 3A. This is our third episode on it. Here we have a recurring non-terminating decimal fraction. They want us to convert this into a simple fraction. So there is a set procedure for this. So we will suppose that this is equals to x. So I will write here, let x is equals to, let the x is equals to 0.77 and 4. On these two we have dot, that means they will be repeating. So x recurring, okay? So this will be 0.77474 dot dot, okay? So I will multiply it with either 10, with 100, with 1,000, in a way, so they become on the same decimal places. So this is on the second and third decimal place. To bring them on the second and the third decimal place, I will have to multiply both sides with the 100. So I'm going to multiply with the 100. Let's see the magic. 0.77474 dot and dot. Okay, so this is 100x is equals to, this becomes 7.474 dot and dot. So from this I will subtract this, so you will have 100x minus x is equals to 7.474 dot dot minus 0.774 dot and dot. Okay, so this will become 99x. This will become this, and this will be cancelled. 14 minus 7, so that is 7, then point, and this will become 6, this will become 7. So x will be equal to 7, 6.7. Just remove this decimal. by 10. Okay, so this is 99x. So x will be equal to 767 divided by the 10 into the 99. So the x will become 767 divided by the 9, 9 and 0. So let's check from the with the help of the calculator. We can check whether our answer is right or not. So we have 767 divided by the 990, that is equals to okay, so here you go. So look at this calculator, sir. So you see 767 divided by 990 is equal to 0.7. 7474747474. So this is how you will do the question number 7. It's a G part. In this part, we have to convert a recurring non-terminating decimal fraction into a simple fraction. This is a set procedure how this is done. I hope you understand, sir. My name is Ferhan Mazhar. Okay, sir. So we will do the next one, and my dear students, we are on the question number 7, and it's H part. Here, reoccurring non-terminating decimal fraction is given. They want us to convert this into a simple fraction. The method is very, very simple. So we will suppose that this is equals to x, okay? So I will write here, okay, let the x is equals to 0.774, and on that 4 we have a dot, which means this 4 will be reoccurring, okay? So the x will be equal to 0.774 and 4 dot, that 4 is repeating. So I want to bring this on the third decimal place. So for that purpose, I will have to multiply both sides with the 10. So 10x is equals to 10 into 0.774 for a dot. Okay, so this becomes 10x is equals to 7.744 dot. Okay, from here, from this one, you subtract this one. So you will have 10x minus x equals to 7.744 dot minus 0.774 dot. This is on the third decimal place. This is also on the third decimal. They will be cancelled. So here you will have 9x equals to 14 minus 7, that will be 7. And from 16 minus 7, you will have 9 and point and 6. So this will be equals to 9697 divided by 100. So the x will be equal to 697 divided by 100 into the 9. So the x will be equal to 6, 9 and 7 divided by the 900. So I hope this is the answer, sir. With the help of the calculator, we can check whether our answer is right or not. So 697 divided by 900. So you can see here, I can show you 697 divided by 900 is 0.774444444. That 4 is recurring, it's non-terminating. So this is how you will convert this recurring non-terminating decimal fraction into a simple fraction. You see, to cover this topic, we are using the book number 1 of the 8th edition of the name of the book is Think New Syllabus Mathematics, and this is published by the Oxford University Press, and this book is their property. These questions are their intellectual property. So we give full credit to the Oxford University Press for that book and for these questions. These are their property. I am just using them to show you this topic. I'm just presenting you the solution of this. So I think that's enough for today in this video. This was our third episode on the exercise 3A, book number 1, 8th edition. Decimals, fractions, terminating, and recurring decimal fractions. My name is Ferhan Mazhar. If you think that this video is helpful to you, please like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please share the link of this video with your class fellows, with your cousins, with your teachers, and all those students who are in the ninth Cambridge or who are in the IGCSE, or anybody who is preparing for the Cambridge exam. and is taking mathematics. This is the new topic which has been added into the syllabus, and I hope that this video will be helpful to you and to many students around the globe. So your support is very, very important for me. Your likes, your comments, and your subscription of my channel, that's a appreciation for my work, and that's support to my work. So thank you very much, everyone. Have a good night, sir. God bless you all.